Mga kaibigan, as to continue our topic, mga kaibigan, as based on my experience, mga kaibigan, marami na ho tayong nakapagdiskusyon, marami na ho tayong napagsabihan ng ganon, based on our designations and tasking of this society. As a radio operator, as a radio communicator of the certain stations in the police organization, mga kaibigan, hindi ho madali, especially when we are on those highly progressive cities in this country, in the Philippines. So, mga kaibigan, as far as the tasking is concerned, as far as the law is concerned, as far as the Constitution is concerned, mga kaibigan, I would like to ask more things to all of you, that I am not expert for me to stand everything, but I have so limited in idea, but my designations and tasking as a radio operator and the certain base of the stations, mga kaibigan, I have to speak an authority to dispatch people when the call from the community as a concerned citizens to be verified the veracity of the said report, and then automatically we have a duties as a radio operator. Automatically we dispatch patrollers nearest on that matrix, especially, mga kaibigan, that there is a lot of the people out there, no, mga kaibigan, na marami hong tanong, maraming they are not mga kaibigan, they are not to respect the law enforcement officer of this country. Sometimes they are losing on that respect and discipline, mga kaibigan, especially on the law. Kala nila sila na lang yung tama, mga kaibigan. As far as the law is concerned, as far as the structures is concerned, PNP has internal structures that even the radio operator, even something out there, the high-ranking officer, PNCO, PCO, something like that, they are not tasked to disclose that kinds of informations. They are not be disclosed, mga kaibigan. Every time there is a disclose or to be expressed informations out there, it must be done by the superior officer and prior consultations from the higher office, mga kaibigan. So that's why there is a lot of calls from our mainstream media, mga kaibigan, that I would like to be advised to come on office in order for you to get concrete details and informations regarding on those incidents that would happen in our EOR, for example. Because I saw received for the media that they are asking these kinds of informations to be disclosed from me. What do you think? Ganun na ba ho tayo? Ganun na ba ho ako kabubo na isang radio operator? No, mga kaibigan, I would like to be advised that most of those reporters in any radio broadcasting network, mass media broadcasting network, mga kaibigan, to be para mabalita nila, do not base on those anecdotal reports that was be post on the Facebook page, the Facebook, especially, mga kaibigan. Kasi nakikita daw nila na i-post sa Facebook, ano bang ginagawa ng pulis? Wala na bang ginagawa ang pulis? Just go to the police stations in order for you to see to it kung mayroon bang ginagawa ang pulis. Pag ang pulis, they are committing somewhere yung mga a little bit of lapses, and then malaki na sa inyo. Pag kayo pong nagre-report ng mali, wala bang nagre-reklamo ba ho yung mga law enforcement officer natin? Di ba wala? So that's why my advice, just go to the police stations for you to get a concrete details and informations. Because I don't like to be disclosed in any informations inside of my organizations without a prior consultations to the higher. and the superior officer of my stations. That is my answer. And then, some of those, yung mga matitibay, matitigasin na mga reporters, wala na ka bang idea ng ganun? Diba, sa inyo ito nangyari? Diba, sa inyuhan ni nahitabo? Kaya nga pala, pupunta ka dito para mahibalaan mo kung sa gitinuod. Kay ang isa ka tao nga nabutang ani nga organisasyon, kung wala siya gitalaga nga mauna nga information ang i-receive, wala ho kaming karapatan doon. Alam mo, reporter, isa pa tong mga gago pa to mga kaibigan, magtatanong na nga, nagagalit pa, pagagalitan pa, pagsasabihan pang hindi mabuti yung mga radio operator. Huwag ninyong gawin yan sa akin mga kaibigan. Kahit saan tayo, kahit papailan nyo ako ng kaso, kung mali ba yung sinasabi ko, just file it. No? Kung mali yung sinasabi ko na just go to a police stations in order for you to get the exact informations, the concrete informations and opinions, especially we have a different COPs in the city and municipal stations in this country. Just go to for it. Huwag ninyong bastusin ang isang radio operator. They are ordinary servicing of this. Ginagampanan lang ho namin yung mga trabaho namin. Huwag lang ninyong, anong tingin nyo sa amin, mga gunggong? Yan mga kaibigan.